Hey everyone, in today video I'm going to talking about the new features in 24 which is gathers. So let's now we understand using example. We need to create a one class. Now I add one list of element. Data. Now I take one list of element apple, banana, orange, kiwi, grape and mangoes. Now I want to process the data which length should be more than 4 character. Then result I want from this data list. Now I create gathers. Now I create the gather and generic type is in a string, and it is a input stream, and it is a output stream, and it is a maintenance state. So here what I do here elements length. So list of elements here. I want only those elements which length must be more than 4 character, 4 length. Data list. Now stream data list dot stream gather. I pass here which was create here gather of and collect data in a to list. Now I catch into the another list of string output list. I add one SOP here. Output list. I run this program and verify we are getting. Now we can see here apple, banana, orange, kiwi and grapes and mango. So all results we are get which length have more than 4 character. So now we can understand here what we do here in gather. So create a one gather. We can create a gather dot of. It mandatory 3 parameter. First parameter is a input stream, second is state, and third one is downstream. So default when we push the data in an element, then it is return boolean value. You can see here it is written boolean value. Now when we add the downstream, then it is consider its element, so it is written in our return in a collection. So that's why we can implement our logic here in a gather in more flexibly compared to filter and filter. So this way we can implement gather in a Java.